Dear smart and enthusiastic friends, welcome to our channel Chemistry is Awesome. Dear friends, today we will discuss hybridization of carbon atom. How to identify hybridization of carbon atom. Now let us see at the board. Representation. This is carbon atom, and in this representation 4 sigma bonds or single covalent bonds are formed by this carbon atom. Single covalent bond is also called as sigma bond. How many sigma bonds are there or single covalent bonds are there? 4. Number of pi bonds 0, since there is no any double bond formed by this carbon atom or triple bond formed this carbon atom. That's why number of pi bonds 0. Hybridization is sp3. Therefore, if carbon atom forms 4 single covalent bonds or sigma bonds, then what is hybridization of that carbon atom? That carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization. This hybridization is also called as tetrahedral hybridization or tetrahedral hybridization. Therefore, sp3 hybridization is also called as tetrahedral hybridization. And what is bond angle? Bond angle is 109.5 degree. This is bond angle. And what is simplest example of this tetrahedral hybridization or sp3 hybridization? Methane molecule, that is CH4. Therefore, if carbon atom forms 4 sigma bonds or single covalent bonds, then what is hybridization of that carbon atom? Hybridization of that carbon atom is sp3. sp3 hybridization is also called as tetrahedral hybridization, and bond angle is 109.5 degree. And what is very simple example of tetrahedral hybridization? Methane, or we can write CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. In this methane molecule or carbon tetrachloride molecule, carbon atom is situated at the center of a regular tetrahedron, and its 4 hydrogen atoms are directed at the corners of a tetrahedron. Okay, let us see next representation. C double bond C, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. Now in this, we know that if compound contains double bond between 2 atoms, in this double bond, one bond is sigma bond, another bond is pi bond. And we know that this single bond is also called as sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, and sigma bond. Therefore, if carbon atom forms 3 sigma bonds, 1, 2, 3. For this carbon atom also 1, 2 and 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Therefore, number of sigma bonds are 3, number of pi bond 1. Okay. And hybridization of this carbon atom is sp2. What is hybridization of this carbon atom? sp2. This sp2 hybridization is also called as trigonal, trigonal, trigonal planar, planar. This sp2 hybridization is also known as trigonal planar hybridization, and bond angle is 120 degree, 120 degree. What is very common example of this? Very common example of this is ethylene molecule. CH2, double bond CH2. So that structure of this ethylene molecule is planar or flat. This is sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond and sigma bond. And this is one of the bond is pi bond in this double bond. This bond angle HCH bond angle is 120 degree. Then HCC, this bond angle is also 120 degree, and HCC, this bond angle is also 120 degree. Therefore, whenever hybridization is sp2, bond angle is 120 degree. Now let us see last type. C triple bond C, single bond, single bond. Now in this example, this one of the bond in this triple bond is sigma bond and two bonds are pi bonds. So that if compound contains triple bond between two atoms, then in this triple bond, one bond is sigma bond and two bonds are pi bonds. This is also sigma or single covalent bond. This is also sigma or single covalent bond. What about number of sigma bonds formed by this carbon atom? 1 and 2. Similarly, this carbon atom also form two sigma bonds. Therefore, number of sigma bonds 2. And what about number of pi bonds? This is one of the pi bond. This is second pi bond. Therefore, number of sigma bonds 2, number of pi bonds are also 2. If carbon atom forms two sigma bonds and two pi bonds, then hybridization of that carbon atom is sp hybridization. And this sp hybridization is also called as linear hybridization. Linear hybridization. sp or linear hybridization. What about bond angle? If hybridization is sp or linear, bond angle is 180 degree. And what is simplest example of this sp hybridization? Formation of acetylene molecule CH triple bond C, single bond H. In this triple bond, one bond is sigma bond, two bonds are pi bonds. This is also sigma or single covalent bond. This is also sigma or single covalent bond. So that this is regarding hybridization of carbon atom. This is very simple way to identify hybridization of carbon atom. Okay, dear friends, let us see types of carbon atoms present in organic molecules one by one. Number 1, allylic carbon atom. Allylic carbon atom. Let us see structure. CH2, single bond Br, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Now in this example, this carbon atom is called as allylic carbon atom. What about hybridization of this carbon atom? Just we have discussed hybridization of carbon atoms. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Why this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized? Because this carbon atom is surrounded by 4 single covalent bonds or sigma bonds, and therefore hybridization of this carbon atom is sp3. Therefore, how to define allylic carbon atom? Or sp3 hybridized carbon atom, or sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to a carbon-carbon double bond, which is next to a carbon-carbon double bond, is known as allylic carbon atom. Very simple. Or a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is bonded to doubly bonded carbon atom. This carbon atom is bonded to a doubly bonded carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond, is known as allylic carbon atom. Now let us see next type. Number 2, benzenic carbon atom. Benzylic carbon atom. Try to remember structure first. Benzene ring. To this benzene ring, you know that in benzene ring there are alternate double bond and single bonds. CH2 bond Cl. This carbon atom is known as benzylic carbon atom. Or let us say hybridization of this carbon atom. This carbon atom is also surrounded by 4 sigma bonds. These are 2 sigma bonds, and with these 2 hydrogen atoms, again there are 2 sigma bonds. So what is hybridization of this carbon atom? This carbon atom is also sp3 hybridized. How to define benzylic carbon atom? sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. This carbon atom is next to an aromatic ring. Is known as benzylic carbon atom. Or one more definition. A sp3 hybridized carbon atom. A sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is directly bonded to benzene ring is known as benzylic carbon atom. This is simplest example. Name of this example is benzyl chloride. Next name of this example is allyl bromide. Okay. Let us see next type of carbon atom. Third, propargyl carbon atom. What is it? Propargyl. P-R-O-P-A-R-G-Y-L. Propargyl carbon atom. What is the structure of compound? CH2, single bond Cl, single bond C, triple bond CH. Again, this carbon atom is known as propargyl carbon atom. Let us say hybridization of this carbon atom. In this structure, this carbon atom is also surrounded by 4 sigma covalent bonds or single covalent bonds. These 2 are the single covalent bonds or sigma bonds, and remaining 2 single covalent bonds or sigma bonds are formed by this carbon with hydrogen atoms. Therefore, what is hybridization? sp3. How to define? On the basis of structure, we can define, or we can write statement. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Again, this is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to a carbon-carbon triple bond, which is next to a carbon-carbon triple bond. This carbon atom is next to a carbon-carbon triple bond. Is called propargyl carbon atom. Is known as propargyl carbon atom. Or alternatively, a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is bonded to or triply bonded carbon atom of carbon-carbon triple bond, is known as propargyl carbon atom. Okay, proceed next. Number 4, vinylic carbon atom. Vinylic carbon atom. Try to remember structure formula for vinyl chloride or vinyl alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, single bond Cl. This carbon atom is known as vinylic carbon atom. Let us say hybridization of this carbon atom. Since this carbon atom is surrounded by 1, 2, and this carbon hydrogen single covalent bond is also sigma bond. Therefore, this carbon atom is surrounded by how many sigma bonds? 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. You know that in this structure there is one bond as pi bond, another bond is sigma bond. Therefore, what is the hybridization of this carbon atom? This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Therefore, how to define vinylic carbon atom? Or sp2 hybridized carbon atom. A sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond is known as vinylic carbon atom. How to define? A sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond is known as vinylic carbon atom. This doubly bonded carbon atom is also known as vinylic carbon atom. Okay. Now let us see next slide. Phenylic carbon atom. Phenylic. P-H-E-N-Y-L-I-C. Phenylic carbon atom. Phenylic carbon atom. Try to remember formula for chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene or phenol. You can write any example and on the basis of example we can define. Here we will attach bromine atom. This compound is called as phenyl bromide or bromobenzene. Now this carbon atom is known as phenylic carbon atom. Now let us see what is hybridization of this carbon atom. This carbon atom is also sp2 hybridized. So that what is phenylic carbon atom? Or sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring or aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus is known as phenylic carbon atom. Or sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This one or this one or this one or this one. Or sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring or aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus is known as phenylic carbon atom. And what is the example? To represent phenylic carbon atom, we can write examples such as chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene or phenol. Let us see next. Number 6. Acetylenic carbon atom. Acetylenic carbon atom. C single bond H, triple bond C, single bond Cl. This carbon atom is denoted as acetylenic carbon atom. Now let us see hybridization of this carbon atom. Since this carbon atom is surrounded by 2 sigma bonds, this carbon atom is also surrounded by 2 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. Therefore, what is hybridization of this carbon atom? This carbon atom is sp hybridized. This carbon atom is sp hybridized. Therefore, how to define acetylenic carbon atom? Or sp hybridized carbon atom. Or sp hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon triple bond is known as acetylenic carbon atom. How to define? sp or sp hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon triple bond is known as acetylenic carbon atom. And what is simplest example to represent this acetylenic carbon atom? Chloroacetylene or acetylene chloride, or this is also called as chloroethylene. These are the different names. Let us say next and last slide. Acrylic carbon atom. ACRYLIC. Acrylic carbon atom. Here we write different structures to identify acrylic carbon atom. CH2 double bond CH, single bond C, double bond O, single bond OH. This is known as acrylic acid. One more structure. CH2 double bond CH, single bond C, triple bond N. This is known as acrylonitrile or vinyl cyanide. One more structure. CH2 double bond CH, single bond C, single bond H, double bond O. This is known as acrolein, unsaturated aldehyde. Okay. This is unsaturated carboxylic acid and this is unsaturated alkane nitride. These are the various examples. Now let us see. This carbon atom is known as acrylic carbon atom. This carbon atom is also known as acrylic carbon atom. Start. And this carbon atom is known as acrylic carbon atom. Therefore, how to define? Now let us see hybridization. This carbon atom may be either sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized. Okay. This is also sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So that how to define? sp2 or sp hybridized carbon atom of functional group. or sp2 or sp hybridized carbon atom of functional group which is bonded to vinylic carbon atom. We know that doubly bonded carbon atom is known as vinylic carbon atom. Is known as acrylic carbon atom. How to define? Very simple. Or sp2 or sp hybridized carbon atom of functional group. Both these carbon atoms or all these three carbon atoms are of functional group. They may be either sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized. Therefore, sp2 or sp hybridized carbon atom of functional group which is directly bonded to vinylic carbon atom, is known as acrylic carbon atom. Therefore, dear friends, try to remember these types of carbon atoms which are found in various organic molecules. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and put your difficulties in comment box. We welcome all your difficulties.